folks, this is a little short. If you remember my ginger tree, I'm gonna reap my ginger from my tree right now, from the plant. I don't want to break it up, loosening up the dirt. It broke. Okay. This is what I got from my ginger. Hold on, I'm gonna bring it up and let you see. Okay, let me wash it off. What I do is I wait until the tree completely dries up, the leaves and stuff, and that's when I reap my ginger. And look, I still have little sprouts coming from it. If you see right there and right there. So if I want, I can cut off what I want to cut off and plant this back. Turn the water off. I can plant this back. See this area? And right here, I still have sprouts, but the tree dried up, and this is my result from the ginger that I planted. Hold on. I'll put it on something where you can see it properly. There you go. To be honest, I'm looking at this. This looks like this is ready to. This looks like it was ready, and it grew off this here. This looks like it's been ready. I broke this off. I broke this off of this. So it looked like the ginger been ready and start growing other ginger. I'm the one who didn't reap it in time. So originally that's how it was. When I was digging it out, it broke off. So I still could plant this part back, cut this part off, and cut this part off and plant this back. Because I see sprouts here and here. And this is what I've got from my ginger tree. And to be honest with you, I think there's more in the ground. I didn't get all of it. I'm missing this part. So I'm going to go back down there and see if I find it. Okay, I went back down. All it was the root that was on there. That's what broke off. You see this too? See I'm watching it? I to boil this too. I was just smelling it. It's as strong as any other part of the ginger. I think this is even more stronger, to be honest. So, this will be boiled. Or, we cut up our ginger, put it into our seasoning and everything. Me, I do that. I also like to boil it with mint. So that's my result from the ginger. Thanks for watching.